How to change aspect ratio of videos in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily change aspect ratio of your any videos inside CapCut. So let's get started. First, just head over to any of your videos inside CapCut just like this. You can basically import it. And once you're inside here, to change the aspect ratio of your particular video, just come over to this navigation bar under the bottom of your screen and simply scroll right away until you see the aspect ratio button. Just tap on this. Now, as you can see, it's currently on 5:8 to 8 aspect ratio. So you can basically change it by simply clicking on any one of these. That is, whether you want to like a TikTok version of ratio, that is 9:16 for Instagram with a 1:1 ratio, or you can also go for YouTube, that is 16:9. So you can choose between any one of these which you prefer one. And once you are satisfied, finally click on Done, just like this, and you can easily export it, or you can also manage to zoom in or zoom out further inside your video just like this. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.